Does Sony TV have AirPlay? Many Sony Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the TV. However, AirPlay availability depends on the TV model and software version. Newer Sony TVs with Android TV or Google TV generally include AirPlay functionality, while older models may not support it. 1. AirPlay support. On Sony Smart TVs, Sony began integrating AirPlay 2 into its Smart TVs in 2019, mainly in models running Android TV or Google TV. With AirPlay 2, users can mirror their device's screen, stream videos, play music, and share photos directly from Apple devices to the TV without needing additional hardware. 2. Checking if a Sony TV supports AirPlay. To verify AirPlay compatibility, users can check the TV's settings menu. Supported Sony Smart TVs have an Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option in the settings. Additionally, Sony's official website provides a list of models that include AirPlay functionality. 3. How to use AirPlay on a Sony TV. To use AirPlay on a compatible Sony TV, Step 1. Ensure the Sony TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the control center on an iPhone or iPad and select Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Choose the Sony TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. If prompted, enter the AirPlay passcode displayed on the TV. Step 5. Start streaming videos, music, or screen mirroring from the Apple device. 4. AirPlay limitations and compatibility issues. While AirPlay is available on many Sony TVs, some models may have limitations. Certain apps may restrict AirPlay streaming due to copyright protections, and older Sony TVs that do not support AirPlay 2 require alternative methods, such as using an Apple TV device. 5. Alternative streaming options for non-AirPlay models. If a Sony TV does not support AirPlay, users can still stream content using other methods like Google Chromecast, HDMI cables, or third-party apps. Additionally, Sony Smart TVs with built-in Chromecast allow similar screen mirroring features for Android and iOS devices. Many Sony Smart TVs support AirPlay, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices. However, users should check their TV model for compatibility. If AirPlay is not available, alternative streaming options like Chromecast or an Apple TV device can provide similar functionality.